This here is our big dog speaker system. We have two cabinets that look exactly the same. One cabinet holds the system and a speaker. The second cabinet has only an individual speaker with an empty cabinet below it. We use this system for outdoor events on the North Mall and at times events in the food court. These cabinets are actually pretty difficult to move as they're very top heavy, so they can topple over. The easiest way to move them is holding onto this bottom knob or handle and stabilizing with the hand at the top. To move the system, you always want to pull it, never push it. It can overbalance when you're going through doorways or over cracks in the sidewalk. Alright, to power the system, we have an orange extension cord that's already in the bottom of the cabinet. You plug that in, and then we have a 1/4-inch speaker cable in the bottom of the cabinet as well to send the sound to the other speaker for the system, as shown here. To turn on the system, we have a power button kind of hidden up here at the top. It is labeled orange button. Turn that on and it turns on the mixer. On the mixer, we have our channel strips located vertically here with the inputs down here at the bottom. And we have 8 channels built into the board. At the top of the channel strip, the turquoise colored knobs are our EQ, and we have high, mids, and lows. The white one is going to be our monitor or auxiliary out. The blue one is actually our effects that are built into this board. The pink one is pan, and the orange one is our volume or level fader in the form of a knob. To control the master volume of the system is over here on the right hand side, which is labeled main volume and is an orange knob as well, and that works as the master fader. The channel 8 input on the board is designated as the wireless microphone, which is located here in the cubby of the door. To turn on the microphone, there is an orange button located on the bottom that you can get to by rotating the black cap on the bottom, and you press and hold to turn the power on. To mute and unmute the microphone, you just rotate the black cap around, and there is a mute switch that is labeled with an arrow, and you can mute and unmute. Once you have the microphone on and unmuted, that's when you're going to turn up the main volume and the volume for channel 8, which is the microphone, to get it to work. Alright, we have a tape-in component on this board, which we use for computer, iPod, MP3 players. It is the cable for it is located here on the right-hand side. It's an 1/8-inch adapter that goes on the headphone jack of a computer, iPod, etc. It goes into the tape-in input into the board. To control the sound, you would want to turn up the volume on your device that you're working with so you're sending the most signal into the system. And then you can control the main volume using the gray tape-in knob and the orange main master volume knob. This system is equipped with the monitor or auxiliary output. The 1/4-inch output is located here at the bottom right corner of the board, and the main fader or volume level is located here at the top right-hand corner of the board, labeled master under the monitor section, and can be seen with the gray knob. You must use a separately powered speaker as a monitor in order to get sound out of the board.